Hi everyone! Would you like to see how I achieved this style using Melanj's 20-inch Coil Curl clip-ins? Well, just continue to watch. Your clip-ins will arrive in a box, and inside you'll find a satin-lined bag for you to store your hair care instructions, and a bundle of 9 pieces of clip-in hair. This is how the hair looks when it arrives. It's actually a little darker than it appears here. My lighting is just really blinding, but the hair feels amazing. And right now I am about to co-wash the hair. I didn't really feel that it needed shampooing right out the box. The hair felt soft, it smelled good. So I'm just going in with some Redken All Soft Conditioner, and I'm going to go through each piece, just making sure that I get added moisture into the hair. So I've already washed and blow dried my hair, and now I am about to do my braid down. I am going to wear this style in more of a protective style, so I'm going to braid down the back and side portions of my hair, and then I will lay the clip-ins over top of the braids. Okay, so we have all the braids in, and your braids don't have to be perfect, but you do want to try to make them as flat as possible, because it does make a difference in the way that the hair will lay. And so right now I am putting in the clips, and you'll see me starting in the back, the bottom back portion of my hair, and I'll just go layer from side to side, placing all 9 pieces of clip-in hair. So now you'll see me applying products to my hair to begin to blend my hair with the clip-in hair. I am using the Imani Dream Twist Out Cream. This is a product that I make myself, and I will have upcoming videos showing you and talking more about this product as well as other products that I do make. I'm also using the Mizani like a coil gel, and I'm just putting that all through the hair, just taking my time, going strand by strand. And you'll also see me using lots of water, just spraying lots and lots of water, because as you may or may not know, water is the ultimate moisturizer. So right here I have all my product in. I've sprayed it real good, and as you can see, it's blending really nicely now with those clip-ins. I did end up wearing this style as a twist out, but as you can see, it would also work very well as just a wash and go. I could just dry it and fluff it out, and that would be a great style too. And right now you'll see me about to twist. I am using again my Imani Dream Twist Cream, and I'm going to just twist, 2-strand twist all around my head. And so this is my hair the next day. I did let it dry overnight, and I am about to apply Imani Dream oil for my takedown. This is going to impart shine to my hair. And guys, let me just tell you that these clip-ins, it's just like, other than seeing the clips, it's just like it's my hair. It really feels like it's just my hair. They are amazing. So here is the final look. I love the way that these clip-ins blend with my natural 4C hair. The hair feels amazing. The clip-ins are nice and full. The hair is soft, very manageable. This 4C texture is everything. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.